was wanting me to do it up super high. I ain't got brow hairs growing up on my forehead like that. Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell before you leave. That way you know when I post videos. And over here, I do a lot of Amazon reviews that sometimes don't always go as planned. Easy makeup application. We do some hair tutorials. So if that is what you are interested in watching, then you are in the right place. If you guys are returning to my channel, then you guys already know what's going on. It's about to be some foolery because I done got my hands on something that I've never used before. Let's get started. I'm pretty sure you guys are wondering why I'm sitting here looking like a Whoopi Goldberg with no eyebrows. Have you guys ever noticed that she has like absolutely no eyebrows at all? That's the vibe I'm giving right now. But anyway, I have my face on except for my eyebrows because I saw this in the dollar store. Now y'all know I love the dollar store. Seen these in there a lot and never really thought to try them. But I was like, you know, I've never tried these before. And why not try it on camera with you guys? So these are some eyebrow stencils. So these, I think you get three different shapes in here. This is by the LA Colors brand, which I really like LA Colors as a company. They make some really good eyeshadows. They make some really good products. But this bitch was only $1. So we're gonna see how this goes because you can do either a full brow, you can do a high brow, or you can do a medium brow. To be honest, those look all really similar. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up and see how this works. If you guys have ever used brow stencils or you guys use brow stencils on regular, comment below and let me know how those work for you. I've honestly never even tried a brow stencil, and that's sort of weird because, you know, I'm obsessed with eyebrows. I've never ever tried eyebrow stencil. So this is what it looks like when you take it out of the packaging. So I don't know, is there supposed to be two sides? Like, how does that work? It shows that I'm supposed to cut. So of course I'm not prepared because I ain't got no damn scissors over here. So hold on, let me go grab some scissors. Okay, before we get started, let me go ahead and try to read these directions because you know I'm good for not doing that. Select stencil with desired arch shape. Place on brow, fill shape with LA Colors brow pencil. I ain't got no LA Colors brow pencil, so I'm just using my handy dandy Wet n Wild. Remove stencil and if needed, tweeze outside of area for a clean look. We ain't tweezing no brows. It took me forever to grow these motherfuckers. So we'll just go ahead and I have some concealer. I'll probably just try to cover it up a little bit. I ain't tweezing none of these brows because these brows took forever to damn grow. So we're not doing all that. I don't understand. Usually don't you get like double sets, like set for each side, or am I just supposed to like flip it? I guess I'm just supposed to flip it. So which one do I want to do? Let's do the high arch one. I honestly feel like these look so similar. You know what I mean? But I guess for $1, that's all you get. Let's go ahead and cut out the high arch shaped one, and then I will go ahead and see. Oh, they just pop out. So let's just pop out this part. Pop out that part. And then I'm just gonna cut like it shows on the lines. I don't know if I should, we have to do it in sections. You see that? Like, why isn't it just one full piece? Why do I have to hold two different sections? What? This is gonna be a mess. Let me go ahead and cut one side out first. I can already tell I'm gonna lose these pieces. I would lose these real quick. It's telling me to cut more off, but I'm not trying to cut all this piece off here because I'm trying to have something to hold on to. So let's go ahead and place this on my brow. Now already I can tell this is going to be hella skinny compared to what my brow actually looks like. So you can see that there's some hairs there that just ain't going to get filled in, and I'm going to have to go back with concealer and cover that shit up. So there's that. Oh my God. It's actually sticking on my face, but I don't know for how long. This is just supposed to hold it, even though it's sticking to my sweaty ass forehead. I'm gonna get my brow pencil, which is almost empty. Give me 1 second. Again, Jesus. Okay, so I got my Wet n Wild brow pencil that I've been loving lately. Let me hold this in place. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Who has time to do all this? Now I'm just gonna fill it in. I'm not trying to like create brow hairs or anything like that because I want to see how well this fills everything in without trying to be too fancy. I would definitely suggest using a small brow pencil because this one, if it was any bigger, wouldn't really fit in there. And the corner of my brow is going to look a hot mess. I can already tell. Okay, I'm sort of scared to take it off. I'm scared, guys.
Oh my God!
So that shape, that's horrible. Like, can you guys see how horrible that looks in the corner there? Okay, let's continue with the little outer edge, and then we'll go back and try to finesse her a little bit. I think I'll do on the other side, I'll do the more full arch since my brows are a little thicker, and see how that goes. But I don't know. I guess this gives you a good guideline. If you've never really filled your eyebrows in, this would be something for you to use to give yourself a good guideline. Now, what I'm going to do is overlap it a little bit so you guys can see that it's overlapped. That way I don't have no 90s, like, you know, slash gap in my eyebrow. I ain't trying to do all that today. So let's go ahead. Actually, let me fill it. Let me brush my brow hairs a little bit. They acting crazy under there. My gosh, this is all supposed to be filled. I'm going to have to cover all that up. Okay. And this is not lining up that well either. Take some finessing to like hold it and be able to see. I hope you guys could see this because I can barely see it myself. Oh my God, it's tearing up my brow pencil. Look at that, it's breaking it off. Okay, hold on. Shit. Now I can see why I've never fooled with these. Okay. Okay, so the shape is not the best. It gave me like the tiniest little eyebrow shape. Oh God, that's so horrible. Let me go in with some concealer and see if I sort of shape it. I don't want to add too much to it because I don't want to change the actual shape that it gave. See if I can clean this up a little bit. I'm going to clean it up with my Makeup Revolution concealer. I love this stuff. It's super, super thick. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and clean up this outer area here where it's not supposed to have any hairs. Basically, I'm just going to clean up all the areas that are not supposed to exist hair-wise. And it's already looking hella crazy. All this is supposed to be gone. Okay, let me blend that out. It doesn't look as bad on camera as it does in person. But this shape is not the prettiest. All that hair that I grew all these years, they want me to take it off. Oh, Lord. Definitely not a fan of that. Let me see if I can feather out the corner a little bit here. It's so round and weird and thin. Okay, that helped a little bit with the corner. I mean, seriously, on camera, it does not look as bad as it does in person. Maybe because I'm not used to having like super thin eyebrows anymore, but it's a no from me. We'll leave her alone. We'll move on to the next side. Let me try this medium full side. Let me see, where did it go? See, I'm already losing shit. Oh, this is a full arch. So this looks thicker. This looks like it might fit in my eyebrow better. This one is just too thin. I have too much hair now to do all that. Maybe back in the day when I was bald-headed, but she not bald-headed no more. So I cut this first piece. This is what it looks like. So that's the thick brow part. So it's going to be going this way. That's the inner corner. This one, okay. This one's definitely going to be bigger than what my eyebrow is. So I'm about to be looking like flipping Charlie Chaplin in this piece. Okay, so that's what it looks like on. So let's go ahead and start filling it in. It's hard, guys. You guys have used these. Like I said, let me know. Because this is taking all kinds of finessing to get these filled in. Oh gosh, I keep breaking my brow pencil. But I feel like doing all this, you can just fill your eyebrows in. This is going to be so thick and crazy. And I love a thick brow, but this is going to be even too thick for me. I can already see all up on my forehead. Okay.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Hell no, you guys.
No.
Hell
God,
no.
please, no. No.
Look at that fucking mess.
No.
I can't. Oh my God. I don't even want to look. I look. And I think this one, because they're so different, is throwing it off. That is a no. Even, and that's lined up with my actual eyebrow. Like, look how far up she goes. Like, how am I supposed to finish this? I look like a drag queen, like how they make their eyebrows way up and high. Oh my God, I can't.
Monica, I can't. I've tried, and you know what I found out? That I can't. No, I've looked into it, and I found out that I can't. I've researched it, and I found out that I can't.
Okay, let's go ahead and finish this foolery out. I hope y'all are enjoying this, breaking my damn brow pencils and everything for this foolery. Okay, so here's the art detail end, which doesn't even line up. It's not even like the same thickness. Okay, let's go ahead and just try to line it up. Let me brush my hair. Let me try to line this up as best as I can. I knew it was going to be a mess before I pulled it off because it was wanting me to do it up super high. I ain't got brow hairs growing up on my forehead like that. Okay, here we go.
No.
What?
God. No. God, please, no.
I don't even know what to say. Lord help me. I don't even want to waste my time like covering that. Like, what can I do to fix that? I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. These are definitely, at least this one that I just did is a fail. The thinner ones, maybe if you're not super comfortable with filling your eyebrows in, but I feel like it's more work using these than just learning how to fill your eyebrows in, because this is not it. What? Oh God. I will make sure to link at the end of this video. I have a ton of eyebrow tutorials, really easy step-by-step brow tutorials on how to fill your brows in with brow pencils, with pomade. So please don't do this. Oh, anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to, I can't even look at myself in the camera. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Now I have to wipe my whole forehead makeup off, all my foundation, just to get this foolery off of my face. I can't. I cannot.